In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the system cannot find the file specified. Now, the first step that you want to do is you want to come here and you want to search for Task Manager. In here, head over to Startup. Then what you want to do is you want to look in here if you have any weird programs that you don't usually use. So look if you have anything, or even the ones that you know are not weird, like Skype and stuff. If you don't use them, just make sure you disable them. Now, once you've disabled all the stuff that you don't use or you don't know what it is, you can close this one down. Then you want to search for Windows Update and take the latest update, like this. Once you've done that, head over to Troubleshoot, or you can just search for Troubleshoot. In here, go to Additional Troubleshooters. Then you want to do the Windows Update Troubleshooter. And also you want to come here to Program Compatibility, run the troubleshooter and let it load for like a few seconds. And then once it's found the programs, you want to select the program that you're having trouble with. Find the program, next, and there we go. Now, if this still doesn't solve it, you can come here and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here, you want to type sfc /scan now and press enter. Now, this is going to start scanning for any corrupted files and wait for this to be 100%, and then you'll see if you have any issues. Now, the other thing is you can come here and search for File Explorer, go to your PC, select your main disk, which is the C disk usually, go in there and go into Windows. Inside Windows, you want to find something called Software Distribution right here. Open this one and delete everything you have in here. Once you've done that, restart your PC, of course, when this is done, and then it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.